One Size Beauty just launched a brand new shade of their blush trio, and these ones are very warm shades. So this is the Cheek Clapper 3D Blush Trio, and this is in shade Freaky Peach. If you've never used one of these palettes, there is a cream blush that actually has a lid on top of it so it doesn't dry out. And then there's a matte powder shade, and then there's a matte shimmery shade. The idea is to use the cream first, set that with the powder, and then add some glow to the cheek. So first thing, I'm going to tap into the cream blush with a sponge and just go straight into the cheeks with that. I've actually never used one of these blushes. So far, it's actually really gorgeous. Look at that. It's a pretty shade. So now I'm gonna grab the matte shade in the middle and just start setting that cream with this color blush. This is going to add more color. It's gonna make sure that it lasts a lot longer. Since I already have a lot of color, I'm just going to very lightly do this. I cleaned off my brush and I'm going to go in with the shimmery shade. This is going to give our cheek a glow, although we do have it already. And it gives you like a nice gold glow as well. Ooh, that's really pretty. These blushes retail for $26 on the website, and I think that's definitely a good price for 3 blushes in one.